Hi guys, RETROCENGO here, back with another video. I just want to show you the inside of an Amiga 600. This will be a fast video, guys. So we got the kickstart ROM here, we got the 68,000 here, we got the 1MB chip RAM over here, and this one can be expanded here with another mix of chip RAM. We got floppy drive connector, joystick 1 and 2, power for the floppy drive, connector here, the white one for the keyboard. And most of the times when the keyboard doesn't work, it's actually because of this little membrane here, or what's it called. It can get worn because of the user puts this one in and out of the motherboard, so these connectors can die. It can break off here, it can break a trace here. Most of the times they actually break here. They are 30 years old, you know, guys. So if you have keyboard errors, not just one key, but as you can see there, most of the keys are connected. So if you have a line of keys that are dead, then it's probably one of these lines that are dead. Other than that, this is how the top cover looks with the LED indicators here. Nice. Bottom cover. The middle goes for the underside of the keyboard, so we take this one and put up the membrane and the keyboard at the top. That's about it, guys. This is how an Amiga 600 looks when it's disassembled for cleaning, and yeah, you know. Yeah, the disk drive works. I have cleaned the head and all that, so that's okay. Alright guys, just a short one. Have a nice day. RETROCENGO out.